Okay, this is a military radio, a 46 set, old valve set. A friend of mine owns, and he came with a couple of problems. One was the PTT button here was missing. I say the button was missing, the whole thing and the guts was missing. So we had to do a couple of things. We had to make that. I made that for him. He did the internals of it, but I needed to make a button with a rod, and it had to be spring loaded. So we had to turn this down. It looks very similar to the original, I believe. Hasn't got PTT written on top of there, which I think the original did. That was fine. It was all working. But the other thing that was missing was a spigot or an antenna. It's a 7'6" antenna, which has to go in there. So he needed this. We made that. This is 15 amp or 15 amp earth pin, I believe. The old round pinned 15 amp plugs that we used to have. To turn that down, now that was about it was 7mm to start with. I had to get down to about 6¼ millimeters, I believe it was, in the end, to fit in there snugly. So we did that. But the other thing was, in the field they used to have the option to connect a very long wire or a 16-foot antenna, which would be mounted on the vehicle perhaps. So you needed another adapter for it, and I'll show you the adapter. There's only one picture we managed to find on the internet, and that is that one there. You can see it with the reflection. There we are. That's the only picture I've been able to find of it. But we managed to make one very similar. There it is. Okay. And the idea of that is that you have the right hand side is for the long wire, 25 foot plus, and the left hand side is for the 16 foot vertical. And originally there would have been two fixed capacitors, a 40 pf on the right hand side and a 20 pf on the left, in series with the antennas. But I couldn't find them, so I put some presets in there, which is quite handy because now you can actually adjust it. And once again, the plug was 15 amp, old 15 amp plug, mains plug, which had to be cut down to size. There we are. Looks a bit posher than the original, but there we are. It's not too bad, is it? All works.